Social media is hyper-focused on the possible decision coming down about if Colorado's Supreme Court was allowed to remove Donald Trump from the ballot due to the 14th Amendment. The U.S. Supreme Court might be releasing that decision. The reason they think they might be releasing that decision is the court may announce opinions on the homepage beginning at 10 a.m. The court will not take the bench. This is on the SupremeCourt.gov website, and if you check other dates, you'll see that it doesn't say that. So this is a thing that's a little special, which means we can expect there to be some opinions. One of those opinions might be the Colorado decision. And a lot of the reason people believe it might be the Colorado decision is because they believe the Supreme Court might be timing this for political purposes. You see, Donald Trump had a very bad rally. If you haven't watched the clips, that's not too surprising. A lot of people don't watch political news or news in general on the weekend, so a Monday story, especially an early Monday story, could be their first time seeing this news about how Trump was fumbling over his own words, seemed to forget that he's running against Biden, and at one point just kind of gives up saying words and just kind of moaned. But you see, if the Colorado case gets decided, that can help suppress and tamp down that story because everyone will be focusing on that decision. It's also another time that could possibly help Trump politically is because this will be right before Super Tuesday. Give Trump a win right before Super Tuesday. Now, the Supreme Court has, covered this. They went through this, I think it was 28 days ago, could be 25, something in the 20s. So they had plenty of time they could have made this decision, and it's just before Super Tuesday, just after Donald Trump had a terrible rally. That's why some people think it is political. Now, what is everyone expecting the ruling to be? I think everyone's expecting it to be Colorado can't remove him. The number, way it swings, who knows? That's what I think everyone's expecting. But hey, imagine the complete craziness if it goes the other way. That would just be wild. But I don't think it's happening. So if you're going to be watching the news and you're interested in this, check around 10 a.m. Because as soon as that happens, if the opinions come out, every news media is going to cover it, right? Immediately. And of course, no matter what comes out, if it comes out with that timing, you're going to see a lot of people question why it was now. Why did you do it now? Why not last week? Why not later this week? That's why social media is so hyper-focused on it right now, because they are viewing the possible release as very partisan, as very politically motivated for the timing. I don't think really anyone's expecting them to rule that Colorado can remove him, because I don't think anyone thinks that.